Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Johnson, and today I am going to show you how to learn about university research, which is one of my tasks in a usability study comparing University of Idaho and Boise State web pages. This task was to find where to learn about research at each university and compare the interface and presentation of this process. As a University of Idaho student, I did have a little bias going in, mainly because I was familiar with the web page. However, I will try to show you the process of a first-time user wanting to learn about research at both universities. From here, we can go ahead and jump in. On the left is the University of Idaho webpage. To start off, there's an easy tab right here that clicks research, so I'll click this. This brings you to this nice looking page here. Scrolling down to the bottom, we can see different types of research from business, faculty, and staff, and students. We're going to go ahead and click students. From here we can clearly see there's two articles, and I'll click on one. And you can see right here, this is a nicely laid out article and very in-depth, showing just different types of research. Moving on to Boise State, they also have a pretty easy research tab. Scrolling down, we will click Division Research. As you can see here, they have a couple videos on different types of research. Having done this before, they have a lot of events and different things about the research, but finding articles like University of Idaho's was a little bit more challenging. They're definitely laid out differently, with BSU's more leaning towards events, and University of Idaho has lots of articles that are in-depth, but it's kind of just depends on what you're looking for. I do think that if you're just looking for raw research, I think University of Idaho just has a little bit easier interface, whereas BSU's, if you're a current student, attending these different events might be more fun. Well, thank you for listening again. My name is Nathan Johnson, and I hope you have a great day.